Hello mummies and papas, welcome to the Mama and Me. Today I will be discussing about the important document you need to submit at the time of the admission. I am making a school admission series where we get to know every other information about the school admission. If you are interested, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for the future notifications. When you are submitting the documents at the time of admission, you need to be very careful and you need to keep handy few documents with you, and I will discuss about all the documents one by one. If you are submitting your school admission form, the first thing you will be needing is photograph, the parents photograph along with child photographs you need to submit. If you are submitting your form on online mode, please read the instruction carefully, because sometimes school want you to submit the photographs on a particular pixel size. Then please do that. If it is an offline submission, then take the passport size photograph of you and your child and stick to the given area and submit. The next thing you will be needing is birth certificate of your kids. Birth certificate of your kids. If you are submitting in an online mode, please again read the instruction carefully, because school may mention the particular file size. You need to resize your file and submit that. If you are submitting on an offline mode, please take the photocopy of the birth certificate and attach with your admission form. If you want to make any changes, please do that before submission and check is everything is okay or not before submission. The third thing you will be needing is vaccination chart, your kids vaccination chart. If you have that, well and good. If you don't have, talk to your doctor, he may provide that, and your child should get all the vaccination on by that particular age. The fourth thing is needed is documents for parents. The parents should submit their Aadhaar card, PAN card and educational qualification certificate. If it is an online submission, you can scan all those copies and attach with your admission form. If it is an offline submission, take the photocopy of those documents and submit. Sometimes the school want you to do the self attestation. If they want, please do the self attested and submit. So these are the primary documents you need to submit at the time of admission. Once your child gets selected on that particular school, they may want you to submit few more documents like the Xerox copy of the admission form, money receipt, the doctor certificate, the blood group report, etc. So keep all the documents handy and keep them all together in a folder so you can get them easily. So that's all. These are the all documents. Please keep them arranged. Please arrange them properly, and I hope this video will be useful for you, and thanks for watching.